Good morning, my students. How are you? Today, inshallah, we have Jolly Phonics. We have new sound. Are you ready? So, our learning outcomes for today. Number one, we are going to identify the new sound. Then, we are going to recognize the sound into words. Then, we are going to write the sounds in 4 lines. Number four, we are going to read some words. Okay? Now I want you to spell these words for me. Okay, I will say these words. You have to write it on your mini board. Okay, my students. Now I want you to write the word cat. Okay, cat. Yes, cat. Well done. A. Excellent. And then t. Well done. Great job. Excellent. Now I want you to write the word pin. Okay, my students, the word pin. Write the word pin for me. Yes, pa. Well done. Mhm. Then e. Excellent. Great. Okay. Then well done, my students. Excellent. Okay. So let's have the new sound for today. What is the new sound for today, teacher? Okay, let's identify the sound from the story. Listen to the story. One day, Ibrahim went to his mom. He said to his mom, Mommy, I'm very hungry. Can you make something for me? Can you cook something for me? His mom said to him, It's my pleasure, my little boy. What do you want? He said, I want an omelette. His mom asked him to go to the barn and bring some eggs, okay? Bring some eggs for her. Ibrahim ran very fast, okay? And he took the eggs which were under the hen and put it in the basket. And he was very happy. He came to his mom and he was singing, Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. So here we have pan. Okay, so the sound for today is eh. The sound for today is what? Eh. Cross round. This is eh. What is it? Eh. Again, cross round. This is the sound eh. Okay, elephant, elephant. And here we have eggs. Okay, egg. What is it? Egg. Well done. Now, here the action for the sound egg. As you are cracking the eggs like this, so you have to put your hands like this. Okay, this is the action for the sound egg. Now let's hear the song for the sound egg. Okay, are you ready? Good. Listen. Egg like this, the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, Okay, so eggs in the pan. Here we have eggs in the pan. So this is egg. What is it? Egg. And when you are cracking the eggs, you are making the action for the sound egg. Okay. So here, let's write the sound A. Raise your finger on the air and write the sound A. Yes, we will start from this dot. Cross. And then, no. Let's do it again. Okay. We will start from the dot like this. Okay, cross. And then round. What happened? Okay, again. We will write it again. We will write it with this one, with the pointer. It will be easy. Okay, we will do like this, cross, and then round. Okay, now let's see here on your booklet. You are going to write the sound E. You are going to write the sound E. Line number 1, no, teacher. Line number 2, yes. Line number 3, yes. Line number 4, no. Don't touch line number 4. So we will start from here. In the middle here, we will have dot. I will make dot for you. Okay, you will start from the dot like this. Cross, cross, round. A. Okay, can you write here? Can you write the sound A? So we will have cross and then round. It is very easy. This is A. What is it? A. Okay, cross, round. Okay. I don't like this one. I'm going to erase it. Okay. I want you to write it on your booklet. Write A, cross, round. Okay. This is A. Okay. And don't forget you have to make space. Here you are going to write another A and then space, write A, then another space, then write A. Okay, my students? Good. Now, here we have a word. Okay. It is not segmenting, it is blending, sorry. So I want you to read this sound. It's, what is it? T. Well done. Then A. Then can you make the word? T. T. Yes. 10. Well done. Now the next one. Here. P. A. T. Pet. Well done, my students. Great. Now let's read this word. What is it? S. A. T. Set. N. A. K. Neck. Excellent. Now the last one. N. A. T. Net. Well done. That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.